Welcome to Unterschätzen, a hidden gem in the heart of Switzerland. Nestled in the canton of Uri, this charming alpine village is surrounded by breathtaking mountains, lush meadows, and stunning waterfalls. Today, we're exploring its beauty, culture, and must-visit spots in just 3 minutes. Let's go! As soon as you arrive in Unterschätzen, you'll notice the traditional Swiss wooden houses, peaceful atmosphere, and friendly locals. This small village is perfect for those seeking a quiet escape from the busy city life. Unterschätzen is also known for its rich farming traditions. If you visit in summer, you'll see cows grazing in the fields and even hear the sound of Swiss cowbells echoing through the valley. One of the biggest highlights here is the Klausen Pass, a stunning mountain road connecting Uri to Glarus. This legendary route is a favorite for road trippers, motorcyclists, and cyclists. Just look at these views. If you're here in summer, you can drive or cycle up to the pass for an unforgettable panoramic view of the Alps. But in winter, the pass is usually closed due to heavy snow. For nature lovers, Unterschätzen offers some incredible hiking trails. One of the must-visit spots is Stauben Falls, the largest waterfall in the region. The hike takes about 30 to 40 minutes, and the view is absolutely worth it. You can even feel the refreshing mist from the falls as you get closer. After all that exploring, it's time to enjoy some Swiss delicacies. Here in Unterschätzen, you'll find traditional alpine food like fresh cheese, rösti, and homemade bread. And of course, don't forget to try a cup of Swiss hot chocolate or herbal tea to warm up after a chilly mountain day. Unterschätzen is a true hidden paradise, perfect for adventure seekers and nature lovers. Whether you're here for the hiking, the stunning views, or just the peaceful atmosphere, this village will leave you in awe. So, when are you planning your trip? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next one.